This is a video of text writing with a passive sniff controller. On the top right is a block containing letters. The first possible letter is a backspace or erase sign, and the first letter on the last line is a space bar. To the left of this block of letters is a vertical indicator where the red indicates the pressure threshold in the mask and the green indicates the current mask pressure. This is changed by closing or opening the soft palette. To the left of that is a block of possible numbers, and to the left of that is a block of word completions. The green highlight shifts sequentially between these blocks until indicated or selected by a pressure change. Below this top line is a line for text entry, where each letter that is selected is entered to this line. Below that, for the purposes of this demonstration, you have a red trace that indicates overall respiration and a white trace that indicates mask pressure changes or opening and closing of the soft palette. Because this is not an artificially respirated participant but rather a healthy subject, the subject does have to breathe occasionally, so you will see the subject ongoing respiration in the red trace, and then the subject will hold his breath for the purpose of demonstration, and during breath holding will activate the soft palette in order to activate the device. The device works by highlight skipping sequentially from block to block until selected by a pressure change, then skipping from line to line until selected by a pressure change, then skipping from letter to letter until selected by a pressure change. This letter is then entered onto the text line, and the process starts over. You will note, of course, that once a letter is selected, word completions are offered and they can be selected as well. Now we'll talk you through the actual video as it goes along. So here you can see the green highlight sequentially moving, and now this person will hold their breath from this point on and activated a pressure change to choose the first block, then again the first line, then the second letter, and the letter A was selected. Once again, the first block, last line, and spacebar was selected. Once again, first block, third line, first letter was selected. Then the word completions were selected, and the word nose was selected. And this goes automatically down to the text line. And this goes on. Now the last line was selected and the spacebar was selected, and the person now takes a little breathing, and this was at 4 times speed just so as not to bore you with that stage of the video. Once again, you can see the letters are sequentially skipping until the letter T was selected and word completions were selected and the word that was selected, letterboard was selected, fourth line was selected, and the spacebar was selected. Subject's breathing again, now holding their breath again, and as you can see, this goes on, where every time the subject closes their soft palate, there's an increase of pressure in the nasal mask, and this is registered as a signal that allows writing.